Yusuf Azwani Sadriu, President Kosovo.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I am here on behalf of a grateful nation, the Republic of Kosovo, the most pro-American country on earth. Peace and security, not just here at home, but also abroad. Because of the people like you, men and women in uniform, the U.S. uniform, the people of